Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's look at pound yen briefly. What I'm looking out for is generally we're in seller's territory, okay, and this is the last visibly um, zone that we can call a demand zone. So immediately we get a bearish breach below here, I'll be anticipating further what sells, and this is my target for the sales. However, you see this level, which is 160.867 price level. Price could do what? React from here because this is a demand zone from the monthly time frame. Okay, this is a demand zone on the monthly time frame. So we'll be anticipating some reaction just like we saw here. This is a reaction. Price dipped and immediately got rejected. So this is one aspect I'm looking at on British pound, Japanese yen. The next thing I'm looking at is, as usual, is gold. Now, what is gold printing for us? If we remember, very not too long ago, we talked about how price reacts, and when we reached this demand zone, we were anticipating price to do what? React from it, which it eventually did, closing bullish. And again, caution was given around this place. Price reached, dipped to create what? This is what is considered, I would consider it a pseudo retest of a low. Okay? It's a pseudo retest of a low where price does, instead of closing a red candle, it wicks down, tests the support, and rejects. It's like price doing something like this, come down, go up, and close here. This is an indication that buyers have more interest than the what sellers, which is what this candle just printed. So what happens is that on the break of the high, we'll be anticipating what further bullish momentum, which is exactly what happened here. On the break of the high, further bullish momentum. So yesterday, gold printed beautifully. And remember, I took some trades on gold and also on British pound, Japanese yen. So this is what I'm anticipating. Like for today now, the buys are still looking very green because this is the target for the buys. But going to the daily time frame, what we'll be looking for is if we can get retracement, or if this just breaks this high, there's a potential that it will continue going high. However, this would have been the best position to take buy because this is the breakout candle and this is the trade that we want to catch, this candle here that comes immediately after the breakout candle. So this is just one way I'm looking at it on gold. So for continuous buy, it will be nice if we see some retracement, okay, before we continue the buy. However, gold would have to be gold. So if it dips like this and turns bullish, then we could anticipate further bullish momentum to retest the high. Now the high will be with respect to this weekly time frame. So this is the high here we're looking at. So the last but not the least is Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is gradually behaving like conventional means of for exchange like our fiat. If you look at it, we anticipated more buys above here when we created this first bearish candle, and we anticipated that if it breaks this low, the price should do what? Come down here, retrace, and potentially retest the low. Okay, but now the correction to retest the low has failed, and instead price turned bullish. So we are back to the overall bias, which is again, if price breaks this high, again, if price breaks this high, we'll be anticipating price to continue what? Bullish. So this is what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. Please do well to subscribe, hit that notification button, comment and like, okay, so that just give some encouragement and keep you on the know as well. When you subscribe, you'll be informed of new things that will be occurring. So this is all I got for you right now, okay? And thanks for joining. Thank you. Bye for now. Barakabashad.